Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that can make your travel adventures a whole lot smoother and more enjoyable: stress-free travel planning. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time traveler, effective planning can make all the difference. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into stress-free travel planning. First, we will cover pre-travel preparation. Choose a destination. Select based on interests, budget, and travel advisories. Research visa requirements. Ensure you meet entry conditions for your destination. Book flights and accommodations. Do this well in advance to secure the best rates and availability. Plan your itinerary. Outline the activities and sites you want to see, including pre-bookable experiences. Budget planning. Create a detailed budget that includes all expected expenses: transport, lodging, food, activities, and emergency funds. Travel insurance. Purchase comprehensive travel insurance covering trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Health preparations. Visit a travel clinic for vaccinations or medications specific to your destination. Check for any health advisories. Pack appropriately. Make a packing list tailored to your destination's climate and your activities. Remember to include essentials like medications, adapters, and chargers. Organize travel documents. Ensure your passport is valid, obtain visas if necessary, and make copies of important documents. Inform your bank. Notify your bank of your travel dates and destinations to avoid blocked transactions. Secure your home. Arrange for mail collection, pet care, and security measures for your home while away. Download necessary apps. Travel guides, translation apps, and local transportation apps can be incredibly helpful. Check for travel advisories. Stay updated on any advisories or travel warnings for your destination. Cultural research. If you are traveling to a place with a different primary language, familiarize yourself with local customs, etiquette, and basic phrases. All right, now that you've done your pre-travel prep, let's move on to booking and accommodation. Advanced bookings. Secure flights, trains, or buses well in advance to get the best deals and ensure availability. Compare prices. Use reputable travel comparison websites to find the best prices for flights and accommodations. Read reviews. Check guest reviews on multiple platforms before booking accommodations to ensure quality and reliability. Location matters. Choose accommodations based on proximity to attractions, safety, and access to public transport. Consider alternative lodging. Look into vacation rentals, hostels, or boutique hotels as alternatives to traditional hotels for a unique experience or savings. Flexible dates. If possible, be flexible with your travel dates to take advantage of lower prices during off-peak times. Booking platforms. Use trusted booking sites that offer clear cancellation policies and customer support. Room type and amenities. Select a room that meets your needs, e.g. free Wi-Fi, breakfast included, kitchen facilities, and check the accommodation's amenities. Loyalty programs. Sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs to earn points or miles for future discounts and perks. Confirmation and receipts. After booking, ensure you receive a confirmation email or receipt and save these documents for your records. Contact accommodation directly. For special requests or questions, contacting the hotel or property is often beneficial. Transportation to from accommodation. Plan how you will get to and from the airport, train station, or bus terminal to your accommodation. Early booking for special events. If traveling during a major event or holiday, book as early as possible to secure accommodations before they sell out. Check-in, check-out times. Be aware of the accommodation's check-in and check-out times and plan accordingly. All right, we're almost ready to take off. Before we do, let's talk about travel essentials. First things first, passport and visas. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay, and you have all necessary visas. Travel insurance information. Carry your travel insurance details and emergency contact numbers. Tickets and itineraries. Print or have digital copies of flight tickets, accommodation bookings, and any pre-booked event tickets. Money. Include a mix of local currency, credit debit cards, and a small amount of US dollars or euros, widely accepted in emergencies. Chargers and adapters. Bring chargers for all devices and power adapters suitable for your destination's outlets. Medications and health supplies. Pack prescription medications with labels, over-the-counter pain relievers, and any personal health items. First aid kit. Include Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and any other basic first aid supplies. Comfortable clothing and footwear. Pack according to the climate and activities planned. Always include comfortable walking shoes. Travel-size toiletries. Keep toiletries under 100 milliliters if carrying in hand luggage, and pack essentials like sunscreen and insect repellent. Travel backpack or day bag. For day trips and carrying essentials while exploring. Sunglasses, hat, and scarf. Protection from the sun and for varying temperatures. Water bottle. A reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic usage. Copies of important documents. Carry copies of your passport, insurance, and any medical prescriptions separately from the originals. Travel guide and language phrase book. Digital or physical for insights and basic communication in the local language. Safety items. A small flashlight, extra door lock, or safety alarm, especially for solo travelers. Entertainment. Books, e-readers, or download podcasts and playlists for long journeys. Snacks. Non-perishable snacks for travel days or when you can't find a place to eat. Personal hygiene items. Hand sanitizer, wet wipes, and face masks depending on current health guidelines and personal preference. All right, we've arrived at our dream destination. Now what? Stay flexible. Be open to changing your plans due to weather, local recommendations, or unexpected discoveries. Local SIM card or roaming? Get a local SIM card for cheaper rates, or ensure your mobile plan covers international roaming for easy communication. Daily budget. Keep track of your spending to stay within your budget. Safety first. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep your valuables secure. Follow local safety advice. Use public transport. Experience the area like a local and save money by using public transportation. Cultural respect. Dress and behave in ways that are respectful of local customs and traditions. Try local cuisine. Explore local markets and eateries to try traditional foods and drinks. Language basics. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language for greetings, directions, and transactions. Document memories. Take photos and keep a journal, but also make sure to sometimes put the camera away and enjoy the moment. Stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day, especially in hot climates. Emergency contacts. Keep a list of emergency numbers, including local emergency services and your country's embassy or consulate. Health precautions. Carry a basic first aid kit and any personal medications. Be mindful of local health advisories. Check in regularly. Keep in touch with family or friends back home, updating them on your whereabouts and well-being. Explore beyond tourist spots. Visit lesser-known areas and attractions to get a more authentic experience. Respect the environment. Be mindful of your environmental impact by reducing waste, recycling when possible, and respecting wildlife and natural areas. Review and feedback. Leave honest reviews of accommodations, restaurants, and attractions to help future travelers. And there you have it, folks. Stress-free travel planning made easy. Remember to research, plan, and stay organized throughout the process. It's all about finding that sweet balance between preparation and